This is a female scaly-bellied woodpecker pecking on a falsa branch. This tree is growing next to my bedroom window, and I'm lucky to have birds, rare birds rather, like these from, in my garden, and I can view them from my window. My house is like a big bird hide. So it's amazing to have them around.